Good evening and welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead. If you are new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and tonight I just wanted to do a really quick video on the importance of volunteers in our garden, okay? I know that a lot of people like to use weed barrier and a lot of people like to pull weeds and keep them, everything just so. But we really kind of let things get a little out of control, but we do it intentionally, okay? So we planted our pumpkin patch this year, and we expected volunteers because we did plant our pumpkin patch in our old pig pen. But the amount of volunteers was amazing that we had, okay? So we have summer squash. These are obviously both crosses or hybrids, right? That just grew from squash that we threw into our pig pen. And then there are loads of tomatillos. I mean, I can't even express how many tomatillo plants there are out there. There are tomato plants. Look at these beautiful, these are actually Hartman's yellow gooseberries. I know they are because we've been growing them on our farm for about 8 years now. They're delicious. And then we have these little red cherries too. And we also have some larger tomatoes that haven't ripened yet, but they're good size potato leaves. So they're probably some form of brandy wine, I would guess. And then we have, these little Tennessee dancing gourds that are growing everywhere. If you ever grow Tennessee dancing gourds, holy cow, they completely take over everything. And then we have greens. We have a ton of Swiss chard. I know if you've watched any of our recent gardening videos, you will know that Swiss chard is like a crazy, grows everywhere on our property plant. But it is just like, look at all of this food we literally wouldn't have if we were to put down weed barrier. Okay, so, and this is just tonight's harvest. Like, I didn't even get all of the tomatillos. I probably never will. But this is literally just tonight's harvest. So I just want to impress upon you guys the benefit of having and keeping volunteers in your garden, okay? So they might produce a little later, they might not be normal looking, but they are, this is delicious. We have been eating this summer squash. When our summer squash didn't produce earlier in the season, we have been eating these two summer squash all year. They're not super heavy producers. We get about 2 a week probably, but that's enough to, throw summer squash into something for a night. So I really just I've been wanting to do a volunteer video all summer, and finally I got the time to, and I really hope that you guys think about the chance of volunteers growing in your garden and what you can potentially get from them and process. These tomatillos will all be made into salsa verde. The tomatoes obviously we'll just eat on salads or whatever, or if we get enough of the cherry tomatoes, I normally just make them into sauce. And then summer squash, eat fresh or freeze dry. And then Swiss chard, obviously healthy leafy greens, guys. So I hope that this video helped you a little bit. I hope that it sparked an idea of, maybe I could let some volunteers grow in my garden next year. And if you do, I would love to see pictures, and please leave comments. And if you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe and share with your friends. The best way to help our channel really is to share with your friends. And as always, have a blessed night. Bye.